Hello, my dear sweetheart subscriber. Welcome back to my channel GL Manhwa. Hate you and I like you. Chapter 19. So let's get started. Manhwa hai hai. It's her again. What are you doing? Work? I've nothing to do now. Beep. Last night I called Yori Sunbay back, but it's like she didn't hear a word I said. It feels like she's after something else instead of trying again with me. She just keeps texting me like nothing ever changed. If Erin finds out about this, it won't be good. I need to be more careful. Ignore the messages, keep my distance. Long as she doesn't know where I live, it should be fine. She can text all she wants, but she won't be able to show up at my door, right? This will all blow over eventually. Team leader. Yeah, Myung, what is it? Sorry to bother you. It's almost time to go. So I wanted to check if you needed anything before I leave. Ah, right. You asked to leave early today. Yes, my grandma's not feeling well. That must be hard. Have they given you any updates? They will update me once I get there. Oh, then you should leave soon. I can grab you a drink or something to eat first if you need. You don't look really happy these days. Is it that obvious? Did Erin notice too? No, thank you. I'm really fine. You can leave me young. All right, then. Have a good night, team leader. Team leader, any chance I can head out a bit early too? No. Jisua, guess what I'm doing now? She hasn't given up. Yuri Sunba. Sunway, I already said that I come down. I'm outside. She's here. She knows where I work. Of course, I should have expected this. Yuri Sunbe was the type to always gets what she wants. Ting. She was the one who taught me something I barely understood. The only one I shared that kind of closeness with. Let's break up after Young Arin. Hey, beep beep, my phone is dead. Jisua, Sunba, hello. She is manipulative and possessive. Long time no seen. An Yori, my third ex girlfriend. The temperature will drop to 18 degrees Celsius, 64 degrees Fahrenheit, and the breeze will pick up slightly. I'm so bored, Sai. Jisu's been so weird today. Jisu. Ugh, I think I need a vacation or a nap. Jisu. Are you back from work yet? Why aren't you picking up my calls? Are you okay? Yeah, pick up my call. Oh, where are you? Is everything okay? Hey, Kim Jisoo. Why is she taking so long to reply? It's getting so late. I should head to her workplace. H and Yori, my third ex-girlfriend. Long time no seen. Dodge. What's wrong? It's my workplace. Don't do that in public. Fine, let's see what cafes are nearby. Jisu's not here. The office is already closed. Maybe I should try calling her again. The number you have dialed is currently unavailable. Oh, yes, that's her. I couldn't reach her today. Do you know where she is now? I'm not sure. She left around 6. She left earlier than others today. Ah, thank you. That was hours ago. If she left work normally, why hasn't she answered my calls? Where would she go? Do I really have to file a missing person report just to find her? Missing. Squeeze. Why don't you look at me? It's not even half a year since our last meeting, and you already look so stressed. Turn, I just pay attention. I wasn't expecting to see you here. How did you know I work here? What? Chill. I'm not a stalker. Your classmates gave me the info. You even asked my friend. Sunbay, you shouldn't do this. How many times do I have to tell you? We're already over each. Ha ha ha. Fine, I got it. We're not together anymore. Satisfied. So what? Are you saying I have to break off all contact with you? Sunbay, I said I've already got a girlfriend. That was not a lie. I know, then it's not a big deal to me. I'm just curious. Who's the person that made you so firm in your decision? You better not be someone who won't ever be there for you if everything fell apart. Why are you bringing this up? Jisoo, you're too soft hearted. That's why I keep telling you not to let every girl take advantage of you. Tell me who's it? It's young Aaron. Ah, the heartless girl you told me about. You're really something, Jisoo. You got back with your first love. That's the truth. Yuri Sunbai knew more than enough about me. Since long ago, Jisua, if you hate her that much, try thinking of me as her. Like this. Correct. Take your anger out on me. Why do you want to be her so badly? You know, I won't be gentle when I'm thinking about her. I don't want you to be. We shared a dirty past together, and I'd rather keep Erin out of it. Jisoo usually stopped by cafes near work, but it looks like they're all closed now. Creek, walk, she's over there. Jish, shit, wait, why do I have to hide? Did you drive here? I'll walk you to the car park. My car is not far from here. Want me to drive you home? No thanks. You think I'll let you find out where I live? You nailed it. Who is that girl with her? I've never seen her before. I'll get home myself. Your car is over there, right? Yeah. But what's the rush to get home? My phone is dead. I haven't told her I'd be home late. Huh? Are you seriously telling me your girlfriend has no idea you've been talking to me and meeting me today? Just so you're not being upfront. What do you want me to tell her? Hey, I've been hanging with my ex. Maybe not in those words, but hiding it? That sounds too bad. Isn't it your fault? Why did you have to show up in my life again? You're acting like I forced you to meet me. Why throw the blame on me? You chose not to tell her the truth. That was your fault. But I still don't get it, Jisoo. Why did you even get back with her? Are you a masochist? Didn't she dump you before? If I were you, I'd rather be alone forever than go back to someone who treated me like trash. You wouldn't get it. I'm all she has left now. Sure, I'll never get it. So, have you thought through about us then? What about us? S. What? Yeah, just that. I'm not interested in a romantic relationship. You know me. Whether you're interested or not is not my concern. Who is smoking? It's not Jisoo, right? But let's say if I agree to it, would you actually keep your promise? What promise? Cut the jokes. You know what I'm talking about. Would you finally stop bothering me if we had. You act like you don't like having me around. You see, I don't. That's cold. So what's holding you back? Or you're scared she will find out? Scared? There's no way she'll find out, chuckle. It's just between the two of us. There shouldn't be a third person involved. Huh, you little brat. Third person? There shouldn't be a third person involved. I'm all she has left now. Jisoo's voice still echoes in my mind, clear as if she had whispered it straight into my ear, as if being around me was a responsibility she couldn't put down. I almost let myself believe what we had was really. Why aren't they talking anymore? Could it be that they left? I was so lost in my own thoughts that I didn't even realize it. You're finally home. Yeah, just got back, but I didn't see you at home. Did you go to the convenience store? Why didn't you pick up my call? Huh? You called me, my phone was dead. Sorry. Why are you home so late? Sorry, I wanted to say I had to meet up with the client, but my phone died before I could tell you that. Client? Yeah. What's wrong? Why didn't you answer the phone? Um, nothing important or nothing important. You looked kind of nervous there. Just a difficult client, the type that never stops complaining. So it was all a lie from the beginning. Why? Did you actually think I'm some fool who just blindly fall for your lies? Uh, Erin, I went out looking for you because you weren't answering your phone. Yeah, I was worried. I was so worried that something might have happened to you. I went to your office, but they said you were gone. I searched almost everywhere for you. Turns out you were busy spending time with a pretty client all along. You thought you followed me? Don't twist it. I just happened to see you. Erin, calm down. You went to see your ex. How can I calm down? Erin, she's just my ex. I didn't tell you that because I just didn't want you to get upset over nothing. Nothing. You think meeting your ex behind my back is nothing? You think lying straight to my face is nothing? Erin, you're overreacting. There was nothing between us. Overreacting? Am I really? How could you say I'm overreacting when you were the one sneaking around with your ex? From where I'm standing, my girlfriend has been lying to me all this time to hide that girl from me. For what? Why are you even doing this? Look, Erin, because I knew you'd react like this. You get triggered so easily when someone's near me. I just didn't think it was worth fighting over, so I kept it from you. Besides that, Yuri Sonbo was really problematic, so I thought I should deal with her myself. Oh, so now it's my fault. You're saying I'm picking a fight? Erin, that's not what I'm. Is this how you're dealing with her? How many times did you meet up with Yuri behind my back? If I hadn't caught you tonight, how long would you have kept lying to me? How many other exes from your past that I don't know about? Tell me about them. You hid everything from me. Are you even aware that we are girlfriends? Didn't you say you had nothing with Yuri back then? Then why did you openly talk about sex with her today? You want to do it with her that bad? Who else have you been sleeping around with besides me and that girl? Yeah. I slept around. I slept around because of the way you dumped me then. Satisfied. Could you stop questioning every single thing that's happened in my past? You're just my girlfriend. Hi, guys. Let's see what happens next. Thank you so much for supporting me. And please like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.